That's the question we're tackling today. You've probably heard of Acorns, the popular investing app that lets you grow your money with spare change. But can you actually get your hands on those funds when you need them? Let's dive in. First off, the short answer is yes, you can withdraw your money from Acorns. It's not as complicated as you might think, but there are a few things you should know before you hit that withdrawal button. Acorns is designed to be a long-term investment platform. It's all about growing your money over time through the power of compound interest. But life happens, and sometimes you need access to your cash. Maybe you're saving for a down payment on a house, or you're facing an unexpected expense. Whatever the reason, Acorns doesn't lock you in. To withdraw your money, you'll need to log into your Acorns account. From there, you'll typically find a withdraw or transfer option. It's pretty straightforward. You'll be asked to specify the amount you want to withdraw and the bank account you want the funds transferred to. Now, here's the thing, when you withdraw from Acorns, you're essentially selling off some of your investments. That means you'll realize any gains or losses you've made on those investments. If the market is up, you might make a profit. If it's down, you might take a loss. This is why it's generally recommended to think of Acorns as a long-term investment. Another thing to consider is taxes. When you withdraw money from an investment account, you might owe taxes on any capital gains. It's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional to understand your specific situation. So, can you withdraw your money from Acorns? Yes. Should you? Well, that depends on your financial goals and circumstances. If you're looking to build long-term wealth, Acorns can be a great tool. But if you need quick access to your money, you might want to consider other options. One alternative to withdrawing your money is to pause your investments. This means you'll stop investing new money, but your existing investments will continue to grow. This can be a good option if you think you might need the money in the future but aren't sure when. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to withdraw from Acorns is up to you. Just make sure you understand the potential consequences before you hit that withdrawal button. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.